The American automotive giant General Motors sent shockwaves through the tech world. Their ambitious self-driving car venture, Cruise, was shutting down. Gone were the dreams of robotaxis revolutionizing our streets. The future, once brimming with autonomous possibilities, slammed on the brakes. This was a major U-turn, a stark admission that the road to a driverless future was paved with more challenges than anticipated. GM had poured over $10 billion into Cruise, a testament to their belief in a driverless future. The vision was grand, a world where cars could drive themselves, reducing accidents, easing traffic congestion, and providing mobility to those who couldn't drive. But the reality of autonomous vehicles proved to be a costly affair. The technology was complex, development was slow, and the challenges were numerous. Engineers had to solve problems that had never been tackled before, from ensuring the safety of passengers to making sure the cars could navigate unpredictable urban environments. The regulatory hurdles were high. Governments around the world were cautious, implementing stringent regulations to ensure safety. Each new rule meant more time and money spent on compliance, further delaying the rollout of these futuristic vehicles. Each mile driven by a Cruise car was not just a technological feat, but a stark reminder of the immense financial investment at stake. Every test drive, every software update, and every piece of hardware added to the mounting costs. The financial strain was evident. GM's balance sheets reflected the heavy spending, and investors grew increasingly anxious. The pressure was on to deliver results, but the path to profitability remained unclear. Cruise was hemorrhaging money, with little revenue to show for it. The dream of a driverless future was still alive, but the financial realities were harsh. The company faced mounting losses, and the stock prices reflected the growing skepticism among investors. It was a harsh lesson in the economics of innovation, where even the most promising technologies can falter under the weight of financial realities. The journey of Cruise highlighted the delicate balance between visionary ideas and the practicalities of bringing them to life. The road ahead was uncertain, but the pursuit of innovation continued, driven by the hope that one day the investment would pay off. The allure of driverless cars promised a safer future, one free from human error. But that promise was tested. A Cruise robotaxi was involved in a serious accident, injuring a pedestrian. The incident sent ripples of concern throughout the industry and the public. It raised serious questions about the readiness of this technology for our roads. The accident, while unfortunate, exposed a crucial truth. The technology was not infallible. Public trust, once high, began to waver. The incident served as a stark reminder that safety, not just innovation, had to be the driving force behind autonomous vehicles. The pressure was mounting. Cruise, already grappling with financial and safety concerns, saw a shakeup in its leadership. Key figures including CEO Kyle Vogt stepped down. This exodus of experience raised eyebrows, signaling deeper troubles within the company. Was it a strategic decision or a sign of internal turmoil? Whatever the reason, the leadership changes did little to inspire confidence. It painted a picture of a company in flux, struggling to navigate the turbulent waters of a nascent industry. Section 5. Trump's outrage, a blow to American innovation? The demise of Cruise did not go unnoticed in the political arena. The closure of this ambitious project sent shockwaves through the corridors of power in Washington, D.C. Politicians from both sides of the aisle were quick to weigh in, recognizing the broader implications for the American economy and technological leadership. Former President Donald Trump, a vocal advocate for American manufacturing, was quick to express his disappointment. He took to social media and public forums to voice his concerns, emphasizing the need for the United States to maintain its competitive edge in the global market. Trump's reaction was not just about the loss of jobs, but also about the symbolic defeat in the race for technological supremacy. He saw GM's decision as a blow to American innovation. The closure of the Cruise project was, in his view, a setback for the entire nation. It represented a missed opportunity to lead in the burgeoning field of autonomous vehicles, a sector poised to revolutionize transportation and logistics. Trump believed that the United States should be at the forefront of the autonomous vehicle revolution. He argued that American ingenuity and entrepreneurial spirit were crucial to driving this industry forward. The former president often highlighted the potential benefits of autonomous vehicles, including increased safety, reduced traffic congestion, and significant economic growth. He called for a national strategy, one that would support American automakers and ensure they remained competitive on the global stage. Trump's vision included substantial investments in research and development, as well as incentives for companies to innovate within the United States. He believed that a coordinated effort was necessary to reclaim America's position as a leader in automotive technology. For Trump, it was more than just a business decision, it was a matter of national pride. He saw the success of American automakers as a reflection of the country's overall strength and resilience. The former president often spoke about the importance of manufacturing jobs and their role in sustaining the middle class. He believed that America had lost its edge, allowing other countries to take the lead in a critical emerging technology. The rise of international competitors in the autonomous vehicle space was, in Trump's view, a wake-up call. He urged policymakers and industry leaders to take decisive action to ensure that the United States would not fall behind in this pivotal area of innovation. Section 6. Pivoting to a New Horizon, GM's next move. The shutdown of Cruise, while a significant setback, was not the end of GM's autonomous ambitions. The company announced a strategic shift, a pivot towards integrating self-driving technology into their existing vehicles. They would focus on enhancing their Super Cruise driver assistance system, bringing semi-autonomous features to the masses. It was a more measured approach, a recognition that the road to full autonomy was longer and more complex than initially anticipated. By focusing on driver assistance systems, GM could leverage its existing manufacturing capabilities and gradually introduce autonomous features to a wider audience. Section 7. Softening the blow. Support for Cruise's displaced workforce. The shutdown of Cruise had a human cost. Hundreds of employees who had dedicated years of their lives to the company suddenly found themselves without a job. The closure was not just a business decision, it was a life-altering event for many. Many of these employees were at the forefront of autonomous vehicle technology, pushing the boundaries of innovation. They were engineers, designers, and technicians who had poured their expertise into making Cruise a leader in the industry. The abrupt end left them in a state of uncertainty. GM, aware of the profound impact on its workforce, stepped in to offer a comprehensive severance package. This package was designed to provide immediate financial support, extended healthcare benefits, and career counseling services to help employees transition to new opportunities. The goal was to soften the blow and provide a cushion during this challenging time. While the severance package couldn't erase the disappointment and emotional toll of losing their jobs, it aimed to provide a safety net. Employees who had invested their talents and energy into Cruise were given resources to help them navigate the next steps in their careers. Career counseling services included resume workshops, interview preparation, and job placement assistance. These services were crucial in helping displaced workers find new roles in the industry, or even pivot to different career paths. The support from GM was a testament to their commitment to their employees' well-being. It was a reminder that even in the face of technological disruption, the human element cannot be overlooked. The advancements in technology and automation should not come at the expense of the workforce that drives these innovations. Companies have a responsibility to their employees, especially during times of transition. GM's efforts to support Cruise's displaced workforce highlight the importance of corporate responsibility and the need to balance technological progress with human compassion. Section 8. The road ahead. Uncertainty and opportunity. The shuttering of Cruise serves as a cautionary tale. The autonomous vehicle industry, while promising, is still in its infancy. It faces technological, regulatory, and financial hurdles that will take time to overcome. But amidst the uncertainty, there is also opportunity. The lessons learned from Cruise's journey will undoubtedly shape the future of autonomous vehicles. Companies will need to proceed with caution, prioritizing safety and financial sustainability over speed. The dream of a driverless future is still alive, but the road to get there will be longer and more winding than initially imagined.